Digital media affect brain development in childhood and adolescence through three gateways. Firstly, movement. Secondly, emotion, motivation, and thirdly, cognition. Digital media delays maturation and weakens motor connections.
Und Schwächung von motorischen Verschaltungen. Schauen Sie mal genau.
Take a closer look. Children gain courage, they measure their strength, they have feelings of success. Only in this way can the cerebellum achieve the RAU connection, the spatial arrangement of the connectivity of the connection, only if the children are active. We are getting this society, as Jonathan Haidt says, digital society of fear, the generation of fear. We can no longer make them healthy. That's the devastating thing about it. Whatever has been wired up in childhood stays with us. In order to learn to speak, write, and read, children need to be prepared via the cerebellum and play with their hands and clap and play in the sandpit. Here is the game that children play. Children climbing, who shout and cheer when they are allowed to do something like that, who are happy, and that's how it is today. Who is actually surprised? Why does it take so much persuasion to explain it from the brain level, when you can actually see what is happening to them? Typing instead of running.
Tippen statt reden. Ich habe mit einer Kollegin eine Studie abgeschlossen, in der wir
I completed a study with a colleague in which we tested 9-year-old children to write the word snowball fight in different boxes, and they can see that children aged 9 who already use their mobile phones a lot in their private lives are no longer able to do this at all, and children who do not use their mobile phones at all or hardly at all can do it quite well as 9-year-olds.
Follow Professor Dr. Teuchert-Noodt into the fascinating world of brain research. Find out why it is so important that children and young people grow up in a stimulating environment and why the digital revolution is leading us into a fatal dead end. Here on this channel.